Good job, dumbass. Oh. Yeah? It's a rotary, you moron.
They're all trying to get garbage bags and stuff all over their cars. So that's protected from the rain.
Richard's got a new car, and it's that right there.
Nice. Really, Minnie?
Welp.
Now I've got to go take this into the fucking rental service and go get it replaced.
That's car wash. See, he's got a reverse lights.
Yeah.
Coming out. Coming out. At full speed, and whole car shakes.
Co za paran, kurwa.
And then
Patrz, nawet śladu nie ma żadnego.
just leaves.
Yeah.
Just leaves.
Yeah.
I get full license plate, everything on there.
Yeah.
can't fucking do that. I know. I'm not mad at you. It's just scary, and it happens a lot. And I understand too. Motorcycles are harder to see. Just something to think about in the future. All right, man. Thank you. No, thank you for apologizing. A lot of drivers are very rude. No, it's okay. Like I said, just something for you to think about in the future. Drive safe. No, hey, I appreciate it. Have a good day. It's nice to have some actual feedback and apologies from drivers, and that's the best way to handle it. I'm working on it. I know I'm going to catch a lot of heat no matter what, but I just want everybody to know that I just saw what happened. I believe, in my opinion, that's the best possible way to handle it. I used the horn, I didn't rev bomb, I slowed down, I spoke to the driver calmly, I was very nice, very polite, and he was also very respectful and apologized. So just a little education for him. Maybe that'll save the next rider that he may hit. He knew what he did, and you know, hopefully that's what'll happen with the rest of you guys watching this. And if you're another rider out there, try and handle the scenarios like that. If they're rude to you, I know how frustrating it can be. So anyways, ride safe out there.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann, and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.